My headset's not open, I can't hear you.
Thank you.
So, red side all squared away, the bombs. Got 3 people. 2 in the bags.
What was that again? I'm sorry. Say one more time.
The red side have their whole like bag of bombs scenario straightened out. There's like 2 fights in a row. We didn't get to phase 2 because of that.
Anybody on red side? Elaborate.
5, 4, 3,
The bottom.
2,
Oh,
1.
Still stuff.
Alright,
we're
let's go.
getting a thunderstorm.
They're gonna show
So
us.
if it cuts
Show us.
out,
They're gonna
Oh
show
my
us
God.
if they know what to do with it.
Oh, the lag. Oh no, it is so sunny outside. I'm in a storm. Lag, oh god. Oh god.
Shut up, Pete.
Don't tell me what to do.
I think he just did it. Woohoo!
The
It
question
looked
is
like
whether you listen
I'm
to him or not.
listening
My
to his
backup
ass.
ladies.
Yeah.
My
don't
backup
like-
lady.
Don't listen to assholes talk. Yeah.
Don't run into the bomb if somebody's already there. Get blowed up. You don't have
So
to.
what if you're gonna
use
blow
it.
up anyway?
Well, then wait until you're gonna blow up naturally. Don't force it. I'm serious. There's a lot of people that have died
Something
for running in behind people.
Yeah, don't blow up. Oh.
Bomb has a long timer, so you don't have to. You have time. It's not gonna show up.
And if somebody's in front of you, it means you should not be following them. The person in front has priority.
Yeah, fate.
To move away from the bombs, move away from people, head over to the other side.
Fox?
Price is right.
Got me wrong, bitch. I didn't get you, Fox.
Alex, me have a bomb.
You are the bomb. Yeah, you are.
Oh my god.
Give me circle.
Bag of bombs. About to blow up.
Get in the healing circles, you guys.
Give me circles.
That's fine. Do not rupture on the roof. Rupture on motivator.
Shouldn't be this lagging.
Shadow cap, bring it in. Beautiful.
Volcanoes, move out.
Elemental. Get ready to switch, Elementalist. Eat it.
Get slag.
Fire callers, head over.
Just lag over. Really choke stops.
Primal.
Fires move.
Oh, he
Fires move. Fires move.
Damn it.
Healy circle.
Maggie, give me amplify.
Health. Shield counter.
Oh god, where do we move?
Bring that slag. Smart.
Plus, elementals from the
Bird goes down.
Rock, give me amplify.
She's not here.
Oh, she's off, damn it. I'll get another one. Those are good.
awesome.
Good job. Clean up ads a little. Remember, ads mean guards, fire callers, do not mean anything else. Ignore the slag elementals, focus on the ads that matter.
Can we not be stacked up tighter, or is this not a good time?
You're gonna... At your discretion.
Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in.
Got Devo. Devo for this
Slag
one.
elemental is close. Ready for Karma Elementalist, and again Karma Elementalist.
Get out, Laura. That's what.
Oh boy.
Good job. Clean up
go.
ads,
Security guards.
Security guards. That's the priority, security guard, fire callers.
Armbar on get.
I'm channeling. Get away from me, Bubble.
Okay.
Try and get.
Yeah, he's trying to.
Don't be super heal.
Maggie,
Fire
amplify.
callers up.
Come on. Callers. Front boss,
Closer
move
people.
out. Drag
Hey,
down.
ads are down.
Everybody on the boss, make sure you get behind them. Running back
Yeah,
as
sacrifice.
far back as you can.
Wow. That was actually really clean.
Let me know.
Whoever has an amplify. One of the mages, whoever's left. Rock, I guess.
Oh, I hope we don't kill it without Brock.
Down.
Get him up, get him up, get him up, get him up, get him up. Get him up now.
As best you can.
Save your damage reduction cooldown for Garrett, and then need him one poke.
Melts are getting close. No, we're starting mid.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you start backing up, that's great.
fun.
Back them up more. There's one.
Yeah, there's a circle.
Farther,
Melee
farther.
circle again.
I'm standing at.
I know we're using Carol, isn't he?
Oh my god.
Now. Everything you have now.
I had to wait until I had
Move
mana
up,
to cast
move up.
it.
Just move up, everybody. Get together.
Who's holding the boss right
Off
now?
the fire.
It's Protos now.
You got sacked. Garrett.
Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Forward. Keep moving,
Nice,
keep
Totem.
moving.
Move him,
Keep
farther,
moving.
farther, please.
I gotta lay on hands for you again. Good job.
I got my tree.
Okay.
I'm standing at.
We have
Help
two
us
battle
out.
reses. Do we want you?
Yeah, get him.
Use one.
Can ya?
Save the other one.
Ah.
Keep moving. There's one.
Move in.
No, I'm on a cycle now. Wow, this is.
Nice.
Fuck yes, baby.